3. Where's number 4? Four. 5. 6. 7. 8. There's the first 90.
Repeat.
Huh?
Now you repeat.
Repeat that again?
That's what.
Well, it's going to be a lot, isn't it?
That's what it said.
I'm going to turn this up and just see where it clicks at. Have an idea.
Okay.
I mean, I'm going to go by their stupid rules on this. But I'm going to see. I'm going to turn it up to like 60 and see if I ever hear this thing click. Alright, one more 90 on those.
1 through 8.
Seems really sketchy. Wow.
So it's somewhere in that neighborhood, 65-ish maybe?
It's a lot.
60, 60.
I'm not done yet. Okay. 1. It's only 1. It is right at 60. You know what?
Yeah.
Don't put no less than 60 on mine, right? Woo! It'll take it out of you. Okay, I'm on 5, okay? I'm turning up to 65. Let's see what 65 still pops. That's number 5. $65 is exactly what they have on. Man, 65 is a little more of a bitch than you think. Okay, let's go here more. 6.
You sure you're at 6 already? I thought that was only like the second time since you started back.
Don't start that shit. I know where I'm at.
Okay, 6, he said.
It is 65. 7. 8. 9. That's it. I think I'm gonna like go all over it and make sure it does kind of click in the same freaking place. What would you do? I mean, that's 2 90s. What do I tighten those little ones to now? Was it 20 or 19 or something?
19.
19. I could just leave those the hell alone. They're done right. Couldn't I? 19 ain't shit. You know it? Is it?
Mm-mm.
Not after that. Yeah, I'm not as worried as I was. Okay, this one's first. Man, that timing gear's right in my way. There we go. That's supposed to be right there. Heads are on. What was that?
Fancy white car.
I guess.
Real fancy.
I think that was his son.
No idea.
Well, we made sure everything was clean as crap. We gave it brake clean and denatured alcohol.
Mm-hmm.
So everything's good and clean. These are Apex gaskets. So
They'll get an A+.
Yeah, let's hope they're worth a piss. Oh, I see why they're different now. They're made for either side. This hanging out. See over here how this one's not made like that? It takes it up in that place. That makes sense. Well, time and stuff, I guess. You know what I mean? Then we can put it back in time, and then it goes back in the damn Jeep. I'm going to put the whole front cover back. I'm going to put everything back except, I don't know if I'll put the valve covers back yet. I might. Everything but the intake probably is going back. But I'm going to need help, because I don't want to screw this up now. Because I feel like I've done a good job on this so far. Don't you think? So, but yeah, we're cheating. Well, it ain't cheating. It's actually just having brains in there. You show them what I did with the bolts. I took a white paint marker and I numbered my bolts so I didn't have to guess the whole damn time. Can you see them?
Most of them.
I don't know. But that's what happened there. I totally screwed up on this one straight out the gate, but it's in a good place now, isn't it? So for a problem, you know. No, I don't think we'll have a problem out of that. No, we done everything right. We went by the damn manual. Ain't this the manual?
The AutoZone instruction manual. It comes.
So how can we get it wrong? I mean, you can get on the internet and find 1,000 different things of people saying you do this, you do that. And I was like, you know what? We'll do what the hell the factory says. Maybe it'll work. But that was a Craftsman, wasn't it? Or a snap-on wrench? The one I'm using, ain't that a snap-on?
Yeah.
So, surely to God, that thing's accurate. I know I lost a little bit because of the extensions, but I think we're good, don't you?
Yeah.
Just got a really good feeling about it. All right, pause me out.